Hi, I'm Cheryl from Texas, and I have the Colorado vest. It's amazing. As soon as I got to try it on, I knew I would love it. The selling feature for me was that I could put the 80 to 400 in one pocket and a camera body in another, so that they were not around my neck, pulling on my neck and my back and my shoulders. That was a big deal to me. So the funny thing is my husband gave me the vest last Christmas. I went to put it on and did not even realize it had a brand new camera body in the pocket because the weight was so evenly distributed. I had no idea, and they told me I had to unzip the pockets, and I found the camera. Nikon 80 to 400 in this pocket, and I've got a D5 camera body in this pocket. Fits perfect. It's all evenly distributed, so I don't feel like I'm gonna fall over. And then I've got an extra camera and a body right here. Inside here you can put all kinds of filters or hit your wallet or your park pass. Extra pockets over here, batteries and stuff like that in here. And I've got the webbing on here. You can clip stuff too. I knew I'd love it as soon as I saw it. Texas, y'all.